Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shashank Rawle. For sure you must be wondering that why I am taking this video in English, and you must have seen my previous videos also. Those were also, some of them also were in English. Let me know friends why, because I have many of my clients who are overseas, who don't stay in India, who are outside India also. So they suggest me that please at least you can create some videos for us, so that even they will get benefit of out of my videos and out of my sessions. So that's why I'm creating this video in English, so that everyone can join my channel, everyone can take the benefit of my knowledge. So as you read in the headline of this video, that we have earned around we have earned profits in around 14 shares out of 15 shares in last more than 4-5 months. And that's true, absolutely right friends. You must have seen my previous video. For sure, let me tell friends, we have bought around 15 shares. We had done some good research in the month of October and November, and we got great success out of that, and in which because of that research we were able to invest in long term and we can make very good profits. And for that reason, I had distributed switch to whole News 18 and even the whole team of News 18, even CNBC, because CNBC is a part of News 18. I have given switch to more than 200 employees. In previously also, I have bought many vehicles, I have bought many houses. Many good things happen in my life, but I had never given so much switch to anyone. But this time I had given switch to all the people of News 18. You know why? Because I was very happy, because that research was going to take us on to the next level, and that's what happened friends. I would like to tell you proudly, I would like to tell you that in the month of February, because February 2020, let me clear you, February 2020, we had bought around, at that time there were just only 7-8 shares in our portfolio, out of which in my previous video, you must have seen my previous video with name. If you are not seen, you can see that video in my video list in my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel you can see that video. The name of that video was Best Solution for Investment into Falling Market and Long-Term Stock Recommendations by Shashank Rawle. You can see that video. Okay, in that video I had told some of the stocks. Out of the 7 stocks, I had told around 4 stocks, okay, which had given us very good profits. Whatever stocks I had told you that have given us very good profit. First of all, we had told that Biocon. We had told about Biocon on 3rd of Feb 2020. We had bought Biocon, and that Biocon gave us around 45% profit. We had bought that share at 293.98 rupees, and today when you are creating this video, the stock is at around 412 rupees. Let me tell friends, we have bought these shares for long term. We are going to keep these shares for around more than 1 or 2 years, minimum 2-3 years. But till now, we have earned around 40.61% profit till date when we are recording this video. Secondly, we are told about Dower. Dower share, it has given us around 10% of profit, okay, from last 4-5 months. Next stock was Divi's Lab. Divi's Lab and even Dr. Reddy. I had told on national television also, on News 18 also, I had told to buy. I recommended these stocks, both of the stocks, that you can buy a lot of stocks. Okay, before lockdown, before coronavirus, and before the market crash, I had told this stock in the month of February, and we had bought both of these stocks on around 10th of February. We had bought these stocks. At that time, the Divi's Lab was trading at 2094 rupees, and today the cost is around more than 2615 rupees approximately, and we have earned around 26.15% in this Divi's Lab. Also, I had told to buy huge quantity of Dr. Reddy stocks. Okay, on national television also I had told to buy Dr. Reddy, which has given us around, first of all, it was trading at 3158 rupees when we bought that stock, and today the cost of the stock is around 4527 rupees friends. Okay, you can check out on Google or anywhere. You can check the current cost of the stock, and we have earned around 43.35, almost 44% returns in this particular stock. You can see my stock recommendation video, best solution for investment in falling market. You can see that video, and stock recommendation by Shashank Rawle. You can see that video which was being previously loaded in the month of April. After the market crash, the video was being loaded. But on news channel, I had told to buy these stocks before the market crash. And I would like to tell you friends that even after the market crash, if you must have seen, the market came down by more than 20-25% in the month of March and somewhat in April also. and still our stocks were performing like anything. Even you must have seen my previous video that in the month of June, 23rd June, I had told my clients that at that time the Nifty was trading at 10,300, and that time I told that Nifty will take the rally of more around 1,000 points in next coming 1 month. And you must have seen that Nifty had crossed 11,300 in just a 1 month period, and after it has started falling down in the form of correction. And after that you can see some steady movement in Nifty, but in 1 month it had gone 1,000 points up, which is very difficult to analyze, friends. Let me know, this common analyst or these common people who create video on YouTube or maybe on TV channels, I want to challenge these people that you keep on giving knowledge on YouTube or on TV channels or somewhere else. Just do prediction like me, okay? You just do prediction like me. I have social proof also. You can go on my Facebook profile and you can check my post that I had posted about Nifty on 23rd of June as a social proof. And I was confident enough that it will go 1,000 points up, and yes, it went up by 1,000 points. And even I had recommended around, I have told just 4-5 shares, because I will not keep on telling about all these shares because it's my personal portfolio and we guide to those shares only to our registered clients. Because if I just tell you these shares, it's not that much. You have to do proper investments also. There are few good strategies that you have to use at the time of investment. It's not like blindly you just buy the shares and just forget it. You have to keep proper watch on those shares, proper analysis and everything you have to do so that your portfolio will be healthy enough. So on this YouTube channel, on this video, I cannot guide you, in a proper way. So you have to attend my free sessions in which you can get all the details. But I would like to tell friends, it's our biggest achievement that even after market crash, we had bought around 15 shares in my portfolio, out of which 14 shares are doing absolutely well and 14 shares have given good profits. Only one share is in loss, and that too is just 4% in loss. It will cover in maybe next 4-5 days. It will cover and it will come in profit. Okay, from last few days the stock is doing well also. And let me know, the stock is Jubilant FoodWorks. It's not performing well. Otherwise, all the 14 shares are doing really well, and we have earned overall an average return of around 25% in last around 4 to 5 months, which is a very big achievement. If you consider in next 1 year, our minimum portfolio would be double. Whatever you have invested, even I keep on investing in lakhs. Even now I am going to invest in a few lakhs in the next few days after the market will get a bottom up. So this is the achievement. This is the kind of analysis which you do. If you check in the market, you will not find even a single person like me who can do such kind of profit analysis, because I keep on meeting thousands and thousands of people in which there are common trader investors also, and in which even I have few of the not only few but many people who are doing market analysis or who have some kind of reputation in the market. But I have seen that no one accepted my challenge, that what the kind of analysis I do in terms of Nifty, in terms of long-term shares, in terms of short-term shares, and even in terms of everyday trading. Even I like to tell you friends, from last more than 1 month, we have traded in more than 45 shares, but not even a single share has gone wrong. In some shares we have earned less profit, in some shares we have earned good profits even, and we have achieved the target, but sometimes we have not even achieved the target, but all the stocks are in very good profit. This is the achievement. So this is the kind of analysis we do. And let me tell you friends, one more thing, that in today's economic condition, the economy is not performing that well because of the COVID-19 situation. Economy is not performing that well. This is only because of the operators. According to me, the operators are doing all this work, and I was able to track perfectly that yes, operators are going to move Nifty by 1,000 points on the upper side. And also about the other stock, if I consider, as I told you, that I have Dawa, Divi's Lab, Dr. Reddy, especially Dr. Reddy is for around 43.35% up. Divi's Lab is more than 26.15% up. What do you think? Is this work of common man? No. This is purely operated stocks. This is being done by the operators. Okay, because in the Indian stock market, the common retail investors like us are very less. And this is the whole game of operator, and we track these operators legally, technically, perfectly, and that's the reason we always keep on winning in market. And also I'd like to tell you friends that in recent days we have created some great techniques for trading and investments also, and we have some best plans in which, apart from trading and investment, you can earn in lakhs with us with the help of those plans. If you want to know more about that, if you have not yet attended our free sessions, please you can attend our free sessions. We are giving you our office number and missed call numbers. On that office number, if you have any queries, you can call those on office numbers, and below that and you missed call numbers on which you can give the missed call, and your data will come to us, and our staff will call you and they will tell you to come for our free session. And let me friends, these sessions are online only, so you don't need to go anywhere. And because of this COVID-19 situation, we cannot take physical sessions because mass gathering is not allowed. That's why you are taking all these sessions online, and definitely you will enjoy those sessions. If you or any of your friends who have not yet done our sessions and want to do our sessions, please you can attend our free sessions, and definitely you will like those sessions, and definitely you will get the new ideas to make money, not only in stock market but many other things with the help of our techniques, and definitely you will make very good profit with us that we are already doing. And let me know friends, whatever stocks I am telling, whatever, as I told you that 15-14 shares, we are out of 15 shares, 14 shares are in profit, right? Many of my existing clients are also watching this video, right? So I have to tell the truth. Okay, so if I am not telling the truth, definitely they will talk against me, right? So definitely I have thousands of people who have bought these shares and they are making very good profit, and you can cross check that too. And definitely even when you join with us, even we will share that portfolio. Okay, in this video I am not able to share the entire portfolio, but once you join our sessions, I will definitely share the entire portfolio and even new shares for long term, short term, and even for the trading purpose, and out of which you can make very good profit. So definitely just move ahead. You can like my video. If you like this video, you can like my video. Okay, you can subscribe to my channel, and even you can share this video to all your friends. Thanks a lot for your precious time to watch my video. Thank you.